How can you turn up the alarm sound on the iPhone? And let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more so you don't miss anything important. Now, of course, you can go to your clock app and manage your alarms, but there is nothing regarding the volume. The volume or loudness of the alarm can be changed in the settings app by going to the sounds and haptics, and you'll see a ringtone and alerts volume controller. So this is a separate thing from the volume slider in the control center. That one controls the music of your playback. I mean, the volume of your music, videos, whatever, right? So that is a different thing from the ringtone and alerts slider, and this applies to your alarm. So if you feel like your alarm sound is a bit quiet, you make sure to bump it up right here with the slider, slide it more to the right, and it's going to end up being louder. That's how it works. One interesting thing though is the ability to change it with buttons, and if you have that toggle enabled, it means that as long as you are on the home screen and use the physical mute buttons, like the volume buttons on the side of the iPhone, you'll be able to control the ringer volume instead of the content volume. So you'll be able to quickly adjust it with the buttons instead of, as I said, adjusting the content volume. So that's how it works. I hope I managed to explain it well. Hit a thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.